Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's Herculist video, I want to show you proof of 74 referrals, and I've had some questions about the strategies that I use to get these 74 referrals and the commissions that I earned from those. So I'm going to go through 4 strategies that I personally use, and you'll see here in the back office what you get is you get your downline stats on one side and you get your earnings on the other. So total referral 74, 61 have stayed free and 13 have upgraded to gold. So on average, sort of 1 in 5, 1 in 6 upgrade from being a free member to a gold member or a pro member, and from there you earn your affiliate commissions. I started out totally for free and I upgraded once I earned some commissions using these 4 strategies that I'm going to show you now. The first one is YouTube, and YouTube totally free. These are my stats for the last 30 days and 154 hours of watch time. So you can see when you start to build a YouTube channel, you're getting watch time, there's 3,000 views. But this is really where I want to show you here where you start to get some referrals. They give you what's called your top videos within that 30-day period. And you'll see here that Herculist video is number 1, is number 2 in my top 10. And this is out of over 400 videos, and also number 8. So 3 of those Herculist videos with my affiliate link in the description in my top 10 out of 400 videos. So I recommend if you want to automate, we call it publish content. I recommend doing publish content because that way you do the work once and it goes to work for you automatically. You get the watch time here, and it's a great way to promote any program online, not just Hercules. I used Safelists and traffic exchanges, and Leads Leap I joined for free, and I started using the free credit ads here, and then I do what's called a cross promotion strategy. So what I mean by that is I find traffic sites that are really popular that include buyers, and then I cross promote other traffic sites within these platforms. So if I scroll down here, you'll see this one here. Need to change that. When I put that in there, it was 119,000 leads. I think it's now nearly 180,000. But you'll see there I've put includes buyers, $5 sign up bonus. So I'm promoting Herculist within the Leads Leap platform. And so that's strategy number 2 is cross promotion. And the third strategy is to upgrade. So when you can afford it, when you get some commissions coming in, then you can go from clicking on the free ads and you can put your pro ads in there. And when you become a pro member at Leads Leap, you don't have to click your free ads anymore. Your advertising becomes automated 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you'll see here total visits 251,000. So it starts to add up over time. And when you upgrade, you can put 10 adverts in there rather than just 3 in the free section there. The next strategy is the fourth one is a funnel strategy, and I'm in the back of my prosperity marketing system. So I talk a lot in my videos about promoting one link and earning multiple income streams. So people take a free 7-day trial. Some people become students, and when they see the traffic sites within your funnel of prosperity marketing system, I put that in there, and it's click here to join Herculist with my affiliate link in there. So that's one of the funnels that I use. And another funnel that I use is our Easy Cash for Ads success guide. So when my prospects join Easy Cash for Ads, I email out a success guide, tutorial step by step. We've also created a traffic funnel here, and you'll see that Herculist All of these are free to join, but you'll see Herculist there is also within that traffic and income funnel. So 4 very simple strategies that I've sort of built up over time, and that's what I use on a daily basis. Herculist is free to join. There'll be a link in the description, and you can they pay you to join. You can claim the $5 sign up bonus just for joining today. You're going to be advertising to buyers within Herculist, and even as a free member, you can start to earn these affiliate commissions here. I started out earning 25% commissions, then I went to Pro, and then I went to Gold. So now I earn 50% commissions. But even if you stay free forever in Herculist, you can earn 25% commissions by promoting the platform yourself. I'll give you one-to-one mentoring and support if you click my link in the description, because I use Herculist every single day as part of my online business. If you enjoyed the video today, please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. That will really help me and support me on my YouTube journey. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see my new videos. I've got over 400 videos now on the channel. Talk about the core fundamentals of tools, traffic and training. There's free and paid options. We talk about list building, social media, some opportunities on here that might interest you, how to build a YouTube channel. And I've got some Herculist review playlists, which if I can find that on here, I'll pin that to the top comment below this video. So it's this one here, Herculist plus reviews, and you can click on there and have a scroll through, and any videos that catch your eye, just have a look at those. Lots of different videos on there. So any questions at all on Herculist, then please leave those in the comments below. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.